delivering. This is a live look right now outside at our Newton camera. You can see the water just glistening off the roadways as that system made its way through the area overnight. And that's going to continue. Right now, this is where it is. But look at this, all of this moisture over here. This is going to start moving towards us. And as it does, we're going to continue to see showers throughout the day. Right now, Athens is getting some of the hardest weather in that dark green and yellow. Rome, similar thing. But look what happens by 4 o'clock. Much of the area will be a region impacted by some sort of shower. So if this was a day you were planning to be out and about outside, you might want to rethink that and do some indoor plans. Maybe read a book, curl up with a good movie or something. But from Peachtree City, you're going to have a lot of showers coming into Atlanta. That's going to be in the yellow area with the darker showers. A similar thing for LaGrange, Carrollton. And then when you're starting to see that system make its way through the area, but not without some nice rainfall totals, anywhere from 0.3 to 1.1 for Marietta. Some areas getting a little bit more. Good news is the sun is going to come out tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to start off with a little bit of fog, but mostly sunny skies as we go through the day with highs into the upper 50s and 60s. Similar trend for Tuesday, but look what happens. Another system starts to make its way towards us as we go through the day on Tuesday, and then by Wednesday it's going to be right on top of us, and I'll have more details about those showers coming up. All right. And if you're up and ready to get out this morning, temperatures in the upper 40s, low 50s, but it's a wet one. We're continuing to see rain throughout the day as we go through the day today. We're going to actually see just a lot of rain. So if you're expecting to do something outdoors, you might want to rethink those plans. Much of the rain impacting right now in Athens, but as we go through the day, most of the region will be underwater from Peachtree City to Atlanta, Union City, and Newton area. Some of the heaviest rainfall by 4 o'clock. We'll have more coming up. All right, live look from our Northside Hospital camera. You can't see much, just a lot of clouds, and it's going to continue that way as the storms continue to make its way through the region. Right now, you see the system began making its way overnight, but look at all this moisture that's behind it. That's going to come towards us, and as that makes its way through the area, we're going to see just a lot of rain. Current temperatures starting on in the low 50s, but look what we're going to see as the storm tracks. Right now, Athens seeing some of the heaviest rainfall with a darker green. Rome also experiencing some of that by 4 o'clock, 4:30. We're going to start to see heavier rainfall right here in the yellow from Peachtree City up to Atlanta. So Newnan, Rome, Union City, some of those areas starting to impact. Carrollton and LaGrange also in that heavy yellow area where you're going to see some potential for heavier rain. But regardless if you see heavier rain or not, it's going to be a wet one. So if you had plans to be outside today, this is likely the day you want to make some alternative plans. Maybe stay inside, read a book, watch some movies. And temperatures today not going to cap out much. We're going to cap out just about 55 degrees. Again, mostly cloudy and rainy skies for much of the day. That system will start to move its way as the sun goes down overnight. But rainfall totals going anywhere from 1.3 to 0.3 to, just over an inch of rain. Marietta being one of the highest with 1.1 inches potentially for there. Good news is the sun is going to come out tomorrow. We're going to start off with a little bit of fog in the morning, but the partly sunny skies will come out. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s and 60, 62 for Atlanta. Another system is going to start to make its way in Tuesday. That's impacting the Midwest right now. As that moves towards us, by Wednesday, it will be right on top of us, increasing our rain chances once again. But right after that, we're going to see cooler temperatures, and not just for us, for the entire country. Northeast temperatures will be hovering into the 40s. On the northwest to the teens and 20s, we will be closer to the 40-degree mark. And looking at our 7-day, again, rain today. It's going to sunshine coming out Monday and Tuesday. Rain comebacks on Wednesday, and another rain chance potentially on look outside our Rome camera. And you can see the glistening of the water that fell overnight, and it's not just going to be overnight. It's going to be continuing. So if you're on the roadways, you want to keep and use a little bit of caution. Temperatures out and about right now into the upper 40s and 50s, and we won't be warming much because of that rain. Showers will continue to make their way through the area. Right now, this is what we're experiencing. But all that that moisture will continue to move towards us. As it does, we're going to see showers throughout much of the day. By 4 o'clock, most of the region will be inundated with some sort of moisture. So if you were planning to do something outside, you might want to make some alternative plans. So from Peachtree City, Noonan, Union City, in that yellow and dark green area, that's where we're going to see some of that heavy rainfall. Similar trend for LaGrange and Carrollton, but those rainfalls, showers will move out of the area as we go through the day. And look what we're seeing for rainfall totals. Just about an inch for Marietta. The rest of the area anywhere from about 0.3 inches all the way up to a little over an inch. But the good news is the sun is coming out tomorrow. Highs will be in the upper 50s and 60s. I have your full forecast coming up. This is a live look at our North Side Hospital camera. You can't see much. Yes, this is by Georgia 425. Normally you see the King and Queen building, but none of that is visible at this moment. Just a really dreary day as the system began to make its way through the area overnight. We're still seeing a lot of that moisture. In fact, all of this that's going over the Mississippi Valley will continue to make its way towards us. As it does, we're going to have heavy rain showers throughout the day. By 4 o'clock from Peachtree City, Noonan, Union City, all the way into Atlanta, could be in that area of deeper yellow and heavy green. That means that it'll be a heavier rainfall totals. LaGrange seeing some of that, Carrollton seeing some of that, but the system will continue to make its way through the area, clearing overnight into the afternoon hours, but we will not be topping out very warm today, only making it up to about 55 degrees. And again, showers will continue throughout the much of the daylight hours. Rainfall totals anywhere from 0.3 to a little bit over an inch. Marietta, one of those areas getting some of the heavier rainfall. But good news is we will start off tomorrow with a little bit of patchy fog, but the sun will come out, so it'll be a partly cloudy skies. Temperatures getting up into the upper 50s and 60s, 62 for Atlanta, 60 for Marietta. But the break in sunshine won't last very long. Another system in the area. This is impacting the Midwest. That's bringing them a bit of snow and a mix of rain. As that makes its way towards us on Wednesday, it will be right on top of us, bringing us another chance for showers, and right behind it, a lot of cooler temperatures, not just for us, literally for the entire country. In the Northwest, we're going to see temperatures in the teens and 20s. In the Northeast, in the 30s. We're closer to the 40-degree mark. And then looking at our 7-day, again, today is going to be a wet one, giving it a 4 on the wazometer just because of all the rain showers. Tomorrow, sun comes out, giving it an 8 because of the little bit of clouds and the foggy start. But look at this. We're going to continue to have sun on Tuesday, and the rain chances come back overnight Wednesday into Wednesday most of the day. And then temperatures are going to start dipping down into the 40s for the latter part of the week. Back to you guys.